Hello friends, welcome to the part 2 of Day Trading Beginners Guide. In my previous short video, given in the above link, I have mentioned a few points that can save a trader by making mistakes due to their emotional decisions during the market hours. In today's short video, I'll not talk much about your trading mistakes. I'll tell you more about your learning factors that you need during your trading hours, the weapons or maybe the tools you need during your trading plans. Number 1, and the most important part, learning. Learning has never been a part of a trader during their initial phase, and it is common between every single trader who has started their journey in trading. They always have a mindset before entering into trading that they will become rich overnight, and that's the drawback of their thoughts and their emotions. They try getting more out of the market in a very short span of time without even knowing the market very well. Have you ever seen or met any person who has received their medal or certification before even finishing the courses? Have you ever seen a race ending before the finish line? So why do you expect even to have a small piece of that pie without even knowing what you're doing? My friend, remember this and write down somewhere that learning is a process that never ends in any profession. Stock market will surprise you on an everyday basis, but you'll have to be ready with all your open senses to learn and understand the language of it. There's no trader in the world who can say that I know the market more than anyone. Every good trader in the world who are practicing from years and years of efforts will always agree into the point that they are still learning. Number 2 is an understanding on what and how much do you like to trade. In stock market, every individual is different. Some like to trade in commodities, some like to trade in equity, some like to trade in index. So you'll have to catch your playground first, then perform. If you like to trade in an index, then you'll have to understand how the index performs on a daily basis. Since you're a day trader, even I have some choices that I'll discuss in some other video. But you have to decide and stay firm on what exactly you like to trade. Number 3, and here starts with some key observations. The first thing comes with fundamentals. Fundamentals is a very important part in knowing and understanding in what you're going to trade. So basically, if you're trading in equity or any stock, you'll have to understand the market value of that particular stock or a company. You have to know what is the returns the company has been making through years and years, and how much you can gain if the market rallies. So basically, you'll have to understand what are the alpha stocks and what are the beta stocks. You'll get to know all these terms when you dig more into it. The next key observation is technicals. Technicals play a very vital role in day trading. Fundamentals could help you to understand on what you're trading, but technicals will make you understand on how you have to trade. Basically, these are the 2 major weapons anyone has to have to win the battle. Number 4, and a very important part, price action. Price action plays a very important role in understanding the stock market. You can make use of the price action in any sector of the stock market. But the problem is, the beginners think that they have learned price action within a month. But the reality is, price action cannot be learned without having a good amount of experience to the market. The minimum amount of experience any individual would require to learn the price action in the market is at least 1 year. You have to understand how the market is moving on a daily basis. You have to observe the market in front of you on a daily basis. You should not move the market out of your sight until and unless you understand how the prices are getting formed. It's quite common to misunderstand that you know price action just by knowing few candles and patterns. But the reality is, price action has no limits to the candles and patterns. It can perform or behave the way they want. Number 5. And the last thing that you need to have throughout your life is a trading plan. Every individual in the stock market has their own trading plan. They always stick to the plan. And whenever all the conditions are met by the market, they'll place their order. If the conditions are not getting through according to their plan, they will not trade. So I request you to promise yourself that whenever you plan to trade, do not trade until all the conditions are getting matched according to your setup. If you have backtested your trading plan after the market hours and you have seen that your accuracy level has increased, then please do not move out of your trading plan until and unless all the conditions are met. You will not trade. No matter the entire day got wasted without a single trade, but you will not trade, my friend. Mark my words, every individual in the stock market who are doing well from years to years has their own trading plan. A wise person in the stock market never tries to copy or mimic someone else's trading plan because they know it won't work with them because they have some different psychology from others. So, whenever you see someone making good profits with their trading plan, they are sharing their live trading videos, still you're not able to make profits like them. It's just because their psychology, their way of confidence, their experience is different from yours. So never try to copy someone else's trading plan. Build your own trading plan. Backtest it again and again after the market hours and see what are the results. If this is the condition, I'll do the trade. If this is not the condition, I won't trade no matter what happens. In the next video, I'll come up with some more pointers. Till then, good luck.